In this season of ripe mangoes, any recipe with this delicious fruit is a success story. It's always a great pleasure to welcome you all on my channel. It's a coincidence that I have enough quantity of mangoes. This prompted me to share with you an excellent quick ice cream recipe. We start by peeling a washed mango. Extract as much pulp as possible. For this recipe, we need 4 large ripe mangoes. This is the pulp which I got from 4 mangoes. Now I am going to blend this with other ingredients to make the ice cream. Do you want to make mango ice cream today? Oh. For this recipe, we will be using coconut cream. It comes in this kind of tinned packaging like this in the Tetra Pak too. I'm not going to use this coconut water, just using the cream of coconut. This will be kept for later use. Coconut cream we have already added. Now 200 ml of more coconut cream goes in. Few drops of lemon juice. Around 240 grams of sugar I'm going to add in this mixture. full of mango ice cream mixture is ready. The only last ingredient is vanilla essence, which I am going to add. So this is vanilla essence. We measure this in this spoon. Take this carefully. Okay. Give it to me. Here you go. Take this big spoon. We are going to mix this thoroughly now. Come here. Okay. Like this. This mixture will go into these boxes and into the freezer. So who is going to pour the mixture? You or me?
Me.
Let's see. It's very heavy. Yes. Fill up till here. Some more? Some more? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Gently. See these bubbles? That's why we are tapping this mixture. Okay. Close the lid. And this goes into the freezer for overnight. What happened? Still have some more. So
once this mango ice cream will be ready for us, we will be eating it. उसकी मन क्या?
अरे मेरे को कहना लल्लू रुक जाके कर देगा आ जाएगा मुझे तो हंसी आती है तेरे साथ हमेशा चलो
This mango ice cream will be out of the freezer. It will be delicious for us to eat it.
bye bye say bye bye so
see you at dinner at tomorrow at the rainbow.
So see you in the next episode with another delectable recipe. Bye bye. After adequate freezing, the ice cream is ready to be served.
Huh.
Let's finish it by garnishing it with frozen rose petals. Let's crush these petals.